In this quick World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King tutorial, I will show you how to get from Undercity to Orgrimmar in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. So as you are located in Undercity, you locate this vendor mushroom right here. You will have to get in this entrance from here, alright? So let's get inside it, because here we will find an elevator which will ascend us up in the Undercity, and from there I will show you from where you can take a Zeppelin which will take you to Orgrimmar. So I will show you the exact steps, because the Undercity can be extremely difficult to navigate through. So this is the crypt. Let's go right here, now left, and this is the throne of Lady Sylvana. Now turn right, and from here you'll have to go forward, now turn right, now turn left, and that's how to exit the Undercity. Alright, so we come from down there. Now you'll have to exit the Undercity using this entrance, and I will explain you now why we had to come here in the first place, because in the front of Undercity we can locate 2 towers, and here, if I'm not wrong, will arrive like 4 Zeppelins, and one of them will take us from Undercity to Orgrimmar, and that was the whole purpose. And I will explain to you which one you have to take. So as you look at these towers, this is the first tower and this is the second tower. You will have to climb the second tower and to this exact dock right here. So let's get up there, and I'll get back to you once the Zeppelin to Orgrimmar will arrive. Alright, and here is the Zeppelin to Orgrimmar. Also, you'll find the goblin right here which has Durotar right under its name, and when the Zeppelin will arrive, it will yell that the Zeppelin to Orgrimmar has just arrived, so you can just miss that. Now I want also to show the location on the map. I'm located right here in Tirisfal Glades, in the front of Undercity, at the second tower, and also on the map right here in Eastern Kingdoms. So I'll get back to you once I will arrive in Orgrimmar. Okay, and just like that, we arrive in the front of Orgrimmar. We are located right now in Durotar, right here on the map, in Kalimdor, Durotar, and in the front of Orgrimmar. So that's how to get from Undercity to Orgrimmar in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.